In this video, we will review how to replace ContraPest. Remove insert, tank, and tray from bait station. Keep insert level to limit spills. Slowly rotate insert away from you as indicated by arrow on top of tank until feeder tray is on top. Hold insert in this position for approximately 5 seconds to ensure all bait flows back into tank. Unscrew feeder tray from tank and flip tray over until it is in upright position. Remove cap on the new tank and keeping the opening down, screw the tank onto the tray. Do not over-tighten. The flow of liquid should begin immediately. Do not squeeze tank. Place insert into the appropriate side of the bait station. Screw new tank cap onto old tank and dispose in trash. Thank you for watching this instructional video. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.